Today's meditation is called Rhythm of the Breath Flowing Through the Body. So take a moment to get comfortable, and let's take some nice, big, deep breaths. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in all the way. Nice deep breath, and then breathing out. If you haven't already, taking the time to gently close your eyes now, and just starting to feel the weight of your body. Noticing the points of contact of the feet on the floor and the hands and the arms resting on your lap or your legs. Maybe noticing any sounds that may be present. Just bringing the mind into the physical senses and settling back into the space around you. And now just bringing the attention a little bit more towards the body as you scan down from head to toe, just building up a picture of how the body feels. And just noticing if there's any particular mood that might be around at the moment. And now gently shift your focus to the rise and the fall of the breath, wherever you feel it strongest in the body right now. As you become increasingly comfortable in following the natural rhythm of the breath, I'd like you to imagine now a steady flow from above the head. It flows almost like liquid sunlight. It's very smooth, very warm. It's clear. It's very bright. It's almost like taking a mental shower. It flows down through the top of the head, into the body, and travels all the way down. It's going to fill the body up as though it were a container, just melting away any tension, any discomfort. Just follow it now as it travels down through the body, sliding down towards the feet. You're just feeling it as it fills up the toes, one at a time. Just mentally acknowledging each toe as it goes through. And as it starts to travel up through the feet, the ankles, and continues upwards towards the knees. So just melting away any tension and focusing on the spaciousness, brightness, warmth as it continues up the upper half of the leg towards the hip and the pelvic area. Continuing with that idea, the steady flow coming into the body and just melting away any tension. It continues through the trunk of the body, now the stomach, the lower back, and up towards the diaphragm, and just melting away any tension. It continues to flow up now through the chest and the upper back area, all the way up to the top of the shoulders. As it reaches the top of the shoulders, it now begins to flow down both of the arms and towards the elbows, the hands, filling up one finger at a time, the hands and wrists. Again, just feeling it as it now fills upward toward the elbows and the shoulders, releasing any tension at all. Just melting away as it continues to travel up now through the neck and the throat area. Up through the head and all the muscles in and around the face. Until it gets to the very top of the body again. And even though the entire body now is full of that very spacious, clear feeling, it continues to flow downwards, just resting the mind in this space. You can just let go of any focus and allow the mind to rest in this space.